everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech Brio Ultra HD Pro Webcam. This isn't a new webcam and it came out a few years ago, but as I've been getting into more VR gaming and filming my experience, I decided to pick one up given that this is the most recommended camera for capturing mixed reality. Anyways, stay tuned and we'll check out what this camera has to offer. The Logitech Brio is a 4K webcam that comes highly recommended by a number of VR enthusiasts who specialize in creating mixed reality content to share their experience with their viewers. Given that I've been doing a lot more VR gaming lately, and because I'm building a VR gaming room of my own, I decided that I should pick one up to improve the quality of my mixed reality content. This webcam doesn't come cheap though, and retails for around $200. It's more expensive at some retailers given the current environment we're in with COVID and with the shift to work from home for a lot of people. In fact, I placed my order for this about a month ago and I'm just now receiving it due to the backlog on webcam orders. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. The first thing you'll notice is that the packaging is fairly simple and not like your typical colorful black and green Logitech packaging. There's not much to it except for a simple outlined image of the camera itself. Now, this camera is not new and has been around for a few years now, but it's still the preferred camera for most mixed reality and gaming setups, which is why I decided to purchase this in the first place. When the camera first came out, it had its own set of issues and complaints. However, over the past few years, through updates and software improvements, it's only gotten better. It's got a sleek and rounded design that's complemented by its all metal and matte black colored finish. And it weighs about 2.22 ounces. This webcam can be used with either a PC or a Mac and can be used on any PC running Windows 7 or later, or any Mac running macOS 10.10 or later. It's also recommended that you have at least 2 GB of RAM or more to stream 1080p, which is way below standard PC specs today. The camera comes packaged with a number of additional accessories, such as an additional mounting clip, which allows for different mounting options. Along with that, it comes with a pretty long 7-foot USB-A to USB-C cable that supports up to USB 3 data transfer speeds, which is pretty nice, especially when you're recording high-end video. It also comes with a pretty nice dust bag, which you can also use as a wipe cloth. You'll also find your standard instruction manual and warranty card, which I generally never have any use for when it comes to PC accessories. The clip itself comes off pretty easily by applying some pressure and pulling it right off, exposing a 1/4 inch screw mount hole, which allows you to mount the webcam on any standard tripod mount in case you need flexibility for different mounting and shooting styles. So what I like about using this 4K camera for capturing mixed reality versus using a more expensive DSLR or other camera is because it doesn't require a video capture card or any kind of video capture device. The Logitech Brio has a max digital resolution of 4096 by 2160 with the ability to do 5x digital zoom. This webcam can capture video resolutions of 4096 by 2160 at 30 frames per second. It can also do 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second and 1280 by 720 at 90 frames per second, allowing you to capture smooth, buttery video, which is great for mixed reality content where you want to capture smooth movements and motions in stunning 4K quality. This camera also has a detachable mount which allows you to either place it sitting on top of your monitor or connect it directly to a tripod. It also has a USB 3 to USB-C connector for fast transfer rates. It's also made up of a metallic plastic material and feels pretty hefty and solid, leaving me to think that this camera is very durable. It's got built-in stereo microphones, so if you're using it for conference calls, it's virtually an all-in-one solution with everything you need. I do wish that the camera came with a privacy cover though, like most other Logitech webcams these days. If you're using this for video conferencing, the picture quality is crystal clear, and the image quality, crispness, and colors are amazing. For mixed reality VR, it's a very impressive camera with a lot of customizable qualities using software. The motion captured on screen is crazy fluid, and the images that the camera captures and produces are super sharp, as you can see in this example. So in the end, what do I think about the Logitech Brio? With so many people raving about it in the VR community, I'd have to agree that this is a great camera and definitely worth the $200 spent. Anyways, now that I have it, expect that I'll be posting a lot more mixed reality content to put this webcam to the test. I want to see how far I can push this camera and my VR creativity. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. Your support really helps out when it comes to the algorithm and helping my channel grow. Please also go ahead while you're at it and ring that bell icon so you can get notified when I post new content. Thanks for making it this far, and I'll see you next time.